Okay, so I didn't stop playing the game. I walked away, and this is what I got. Oh my gosh. Look at all of them here. Whoops. Let's see if I can even stop this thing. Oh my word. I feel like my phone just needs to be on this side. I don't know how many there were, but yeah, real nice. Okay, back to it. Back to the programming. So we got the mood. I think we want to add one more, and in our I just don't know where to put these. I should put more things in here. Let's just say public float food tolerance or hunger. I don't know if playing this game people will realize, oh yeah, this one does this, needs to not eat as much to be moody. But we might just be like, in the box, if we have to have a way to let, I don't know, we'll come to it. We'll come to that later. Let's go to the character controller. So one more thing we're going to check is if food amount is less than our creature data dot hunger tolerance, then we'll just say mood times plus plus. Okay. So that should, so we got 3 different ways that our mood can go down, and we'll leave at that. All right, what do we need to do next? Maybe the clicking and dragging. All right, that's going to be the hardest one. Let's go to the tiles. I'm going to say public game object. We're going to say let's say highlight geo. Okay, so the highlight geo. And what that'll do is when we're clicking and dragging, it will create a game object for this tile. Yeah. So let's first just go to our mouse manager, and we're going to do, maybe we do a void. Click and drag. Okay, so this is only going to happen if we're trying to build. All right, build object. If mouse down. All right. Let's just get the clicking and dragging to work first. If get if input dot get mouse button. Actually, can we say down? No, button. If input dot get mouse button down. Come on. Mouse down 0. The last one be up. Okay. We want to do a dragging or I don't know, build selection. We're gonna have a vector to start click and a vector to end click. So we're going to say vector to, we're going to click down, we're going to say start click is equal to mouse position. And then end click is equal to mouse position. When we go up, let me take all this out. And put this in void build place build just build item. Oh my gosh, I think the problem I'm having is that this says build object, this says build build let's say build drag. So let's change this to build drag. And then down here we'll call this the build object. Get rid of that. Wait a second, do I? Okay. Alright, now instead of this, we're going to get a int x comma int y. And we'll change all of these to x's and y's. I kind of have an idea of how this is supposed to work, but I'm not 100% sure about how it should work. So that's kind of the thing right now. I mean, is it critical that we get this to work? Not really. Like the game still functions, but still, it'd be nice. So let's just ignore that for now. Actually, we can probably put this with this and this as well. Actually, let's put with all of them. We probably could just done a big if statement. Oh well. We're just doing as whatever we can do. So when we release it, we want to just do for y, and this is going to be from the start click.x, or sorry, y, to the end click.y. And we probably need to make these integers. And then we want to do a for x. And we'll do the same thing. Int start click dot x to int end click dot x. And then right here, we will call that build item. I don't want to call it build item. Build object. Build object. Object x and y. Okay. So let's try this out. All right, let's see. I'm going to click fence, click and drag. Click fence, click and drag. Click, drag. Okay. I thought it was going to just work. All right. Let's see. It didn't work. So when I click, start click is equal to mouse position. Oh, look here. We need this first. fence, click and drag, click, drag. Why not? Okay. Whoa, what the heck? That was weird. It's kind of working. If I do it fast enough. Let's see if we put the end click there. If that changes anything. Start. I got click fence. Start to end. Start to end. Okay. Start to end. Nope. Nope. Sometimes it works. Alright, let me see what I have. From start Y to end Y. Let's just debug that log. Then we're going to say the start click plus end click. Well, this right here is not good. We don't want to keep doing that over and over again. We're going to say if build type is equal to build type fence, then we'll do that flood fill. Right, that makes more sense. There's no sense of doing it for each one. So start, end, I gotta click fence. Let's pause it for a sec. I don't need all this crap. Any more debugs in here? Save it. I mean, maybe it was that. Just, it was going to... Yeah, let's pause it for a sec. We got this going. We got a start and an end. Got that, which is happening here. So it's starting from debug, that log, Let's see. Say debug.log build fence at plus x and y. All right, let's see if that will kind of tell me what's going on. Okay, we did that, and then it did not loop. It didn't do any of this. It didn't even get to this. We are building a fence. Build type is that. What is going on with this? Yeah, right. Start to the end. Start to the end. All right, here's what I'm thinking is happening. Let me go into this actually. Maybe I'm wrong. I think I am wrong. I thought maybe click, drag, end. Okay, we're getting this, which is here's the start to the end. Here's the start to the end. Can I maybe make this a vector too? I mean, an int. See if that's better. And then down here, we're going to convert to a vector to int. What the heck? Fine. You're driving me crazy. New vector to int. Change this to a vector and then do the same thing. Dot y. We'll do the same thing. Wait, another one of those. Wait, I don't. Okay, let me copy this and paste this here. So now these are ints, so I don't need this stuff. What the heck? Start click. I don't have. All right, let me save it and try this again. Fence. Hit play. Fence. Click and drag. Okay. Debug. Let's do another debug.log. trying to build at x comma x plus y. You know, we're doing the same thing here. Oh my gosh. Plus y. We don't want this here. We want this outside of this. So maybe that's the problem. My game was lagging up. And I don't have the stats on to really see the fence. Okay, argument out of range. Frick. Let me go to, where was that? Oh, I never set up the thing. I need this too. Let me do that right here. You know what? Let's do it backwards. Let's go up this way. Alright, there's our problem. We got it. Alright. So we need something that reverses it. If, let's just do this. Int start x, int start y, int end x, int. You know, you get to a point where it's like, this might not be the most efficient way, but we're going to do it. We're going to say if, no, what the, come on. If start x is greater than, no, sorry. If start click dot x is greater than or equal to start click dot x, start x is equal to, so if this is more than it, sorry, this is more than the end click, then we're going to say this is the end click, nx is that, start x, end x, God, I'm just being so stupid right now, end click dot x, else we'll do the opposite. Start click, end click. Now we gotta do the same thing for the y. We're going to say if y, change all these to y. Oh, come on. There's probably a better way of doing this, but this is how I'm going to do it. Alright, so now we're going to say start y, end y. Start x and end x. Alright, let's see if this works. This isn't really laying the, checking if, okay, that doesn't work that look. That's working. Going backwards though, doesn't. Oh no. That does. That does, but going in a straight line doesn't. Okay, so and what it is that do I need to say if it's less than the ny plus 1? Yeah. Now let's do a straight line. There we go. Oh my word. Cool. There we go, people. Now, we need to do a lot of checks. We gotta make sure that there's no creatures in the way. But there we go. Let's try with the floor. Yeah, baby. That's cool. Stone. Again, it didn't do it over here. Look at that. You just fill this all in. So maybe, depending on what we're building, it's going to check to see if there's a creature there. How does it do that? I think we're going to need to set that in the tiles. Cool. All right. That makes me tired. But that is working. Get rid of all this extra stuff now. So now we need to indicate where we're clicking and dragging, which is going to need to be done in here. So we're going to do another void. Void show build. Do like that. And we're not going to worry about the type. We're just going to do, let's go up here. We're going to say a serialized field, game object, build, select, tile. Okay, then go down here. and for y is, what the heck, for y, what is going on? Y, come on, why is it messing up? It's not doing these auto completes. Int x. So we have to do the same thing. Int x, comma, int y. Actually, we say start x, start y. If I take this and put it in here, and then take these and put it here. Okay. Okay. Show, build, and let me put all those in. Start x, start y, end x and y. From the start y to the end y. And then we'll do the for x. And we'll say nx. This will be the start x. So then here we're going to say start x, comma, start y, comma, end x, comma, end y. All right. Okay. Notice I have like no comments. Dude, this is taking a long time for this. It's not really part of the game, but I think it's important in just the user being able to do it. We're going to say if game manager.instance.grid.tiles x comma y, and actually we need to check to see if this is outside the grid. If come on, think. We kind of want the same freaking thing. Actually, we do this. Tile is equal to this. No. We don't want that. We do want it, but not yet. Put it here. We're going to say if game manager.instance.grid.tiles x and y Um, Wait, actually check grid, check bounds. First we make sure that what we're currently doing is inside the bounds. Then we're in Control X, put this here. And we want to say just tile. So if tile dot, what do they call it? I thought I highlight. Why can't I get this? Highlight go. If this is equal to null, then we're going to create it. So we're going to say game object temp geo is equal to, we don't want to initiate tile, we want to initiate the build select tile. And then we're going to say okay. And let's delete this for a sec. Debug. So I want to get rid of the old ones. So not debug, we might just do a list of game objects. Call it the build select tiles, which equals this. But we want to destroy them. I don't want to loop through it twice. Let's just see what this looks like for now. So create an empty called build select tile. Add a sprite. Just do a circle. And the order will be, we'll say build overlay. Okay, change that to that. And then reset that, put this in our prefabs. Okay, delete. And let's do actually an alpha. Change this to green. And change the alpha a little bit. Well, that won't look good. Change it to blue. Alright. So now in my mouse manager, okay, where is it? In the prefabs, build select tile is here. Fence. What's creating them? I don't think I moved them. We want to say temp go.transform.position. What the heck? Temp go transform position is equal to new vector 2 x y plus 0.5 plus 0.5. Okay, all right. All right. Oh, I gotta do the fence first. All right, cool. Now all we gotta do is undo it. If I do what I had before, if I'm getting a little irritated, I might need to take a little break. If tile, do I have the tile? If tile dot game is equal to null, then we will do this. Okay, you guys happy? With that? Okay, so now it's not going to do it over and over again. Fence. Okay. Fence. I'm not building any fences now. And this should be +1 here. What the heck? Did I do it in the right spot? That's null. I like go. Okay, what's happening is this is all being set to 0. what I can do is take this and put this up at the top. Right? No. No, I can't. Urgh. Boom. Done. I don't care. I don't care. Alright, let's build a freaking fence. There we go. Now, what would be nice is instead of doing the fences like that, we don't fill the whole thing in. We do only the outside. If build type is equal to, gosh, what am I doing this for? This is just a Ludum Dare jam thing. Do we really need to worry about that? Else, we're going to do this. Control X, Control V. And then, oh, that was Alexa. So if we're doing a fence, we're going to do start X to end Y. Okay, we're going to take this. And we're going to say from start X to end X. All right. Oh, yeah. And then here, we're going to say start Y to end Y. Save it. Oh, man. All right, I might pause it here in a sec. Click fence. All right, we did it. We got the box for the fence, and let's do the floors. What the heck? It did autofill. Did you see that, everybody? I can do an autofill. Wood. Oh, my word. All right, I might take a break here, and we got to remove those things. We don't want that autofill thing. Hold on, let's just you can still do one. So you can still be creative if you want to be. Like that. It's cool. You can still do something like that to fill them all in. Alright, let's stop it. I'm going to save this project, and I'm going to do a little stretch break, and I'll be right back.